How to fix Instagram direct messages not loading. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram direct messages not loading easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is just go to the settings and then go to the apps manager and then go to the apps here in the top and wait a few seconds. It will start loading this page, and after that, or what you have to do now is very simple. Scroll down until you find the Instagram app right here, and after you find it, click on it. Now all what you have to do on this page is click on this option. It's called force stop, and then go to this option right here. It's called open by default, and make sure that this option is on always allow. Go back, click on storage, click here on this clear data to clear this data storage, and then go back again. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved easily and fast in less than 1 minute. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.